Hi, let's talk about how you begin to build that frequency of stability with inside you. This is part 3, and we're returning to stability. Hi, I'm Sharon, and I'm an intuitive and a guide, and I help empower people to walk through their fear and feel empowered as they do it. So let's talk about your inner stability. This is part 3, and how do we incorporate it? Well, the trick is to be in your feelings. The feelings, what you're radiating right now is a lot of fear, insecurity, out of control, not feeling powerful, disempowered. All those kinds of frequencies are running through your body. You're magnetizing those experiences to you. We don't want that anymore. We want to find the feelings of stability. And like last week, we talked about noticing what that is for you. If it's words, if it's a song, if it's a memory, is it food, is it an experience you had? It could be maybe even a person or a pet, cats or dogs or even bunnies and birds, So what we want to do is you go to what you noticed last week, which was, for me, it would be a word. For my mom, it's definitely a song or something like that. So whatever it is, put your hand on your heart, start breathing it in deeply, breathing in and out, and you're just focusing on your breath. And as you're focusing on the breath, you bring in that word or words and you close your eyes so that you're not distracted. And you're breathing in the words and the thoughts that you can feel what that stability, that peace, that safety, the strength, the empowerment, even the control, if that's what you need, is there for you. So if it's a song, think of the song. If it's a memory, think of the memory. If it's a smell, think of the smell. And you're breathing it right into your heart, because your heart is magnetized and your thoughts are electrical. So you're rebuilding that electromagnetic field within you to what you do want, to stability, to peace, to new, stronger foundations with love, with joy, all of that. So keep breathing it in. And that's what you're aiming for, to do it 30 seconds every morning if you can. If you can do it for 3 minutes, that's even better. If you get really fearful, come back to that. You can just all I have to do is think of that song, that thought, that memory. That's what you want to do. But the trick is to make sure you can feel that feeling, because that's what's going to make a difference. Breathing helps you get back into your space and into your heart, which will help rewire your body into a frequency of stability. Anyway, that's this week's video thought. I hope this really helps you. Next week, we're going to talk about pulling it up, putting it all together so that you can do it in no time. As you have feelings come up, you have something to come back to. Anyway, I hope this helps you, and if you're interested, find me for a private session or sign up for this blog, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I wish you a beautiful week, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye.